all heard the story about Broadcom and the end of life. Where does that stand, and what's happening there?
So 2 years ago, when Broadcom announced the end of life of the PacketShaper product, they signed a contract with us to recommend us as the replacement for the PacketShaper. And I have to say that in the past 2 years, we replaced the PacketShaper for more than $20 million worldwide. And we've seen more and more opportunities like that.
They recently extended their service agreement. So is that a problem for us?
Yeah, so I'm laughing because, you know, that reminds me the song of a singer that called "It's My Party and I Cry If I Want to." And I'm laughing because at the end of the day, the IT manager that decides to renew an end-of-life product will cry eventually because something will happen, and it always happens. It might happen within a month, within 6 months, within a year, 2 years, but something then will happen. And to trust an end-of-life product that you can just replace the hardware, in my opinion, it's a risk. It's a risk they cannot afford. And that's why we're saying when we are talking about the mission-critical applications, the IT manager cannot afford to take that huge risk. So I'm calling them, come, don't cry, come to us, talk to us. We'll find the right commercial terms for you to do this replacement as soon as possible, rather than you taking a risk with continuing support of an end-of-life product that will not be able to support you if something happened on your network.